Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through the process of changing the language in the Calm app. If you want to customize your experience and use the app in your preferred language, this tutorial will make it simple and clear. By the end of this video, you will be able to switch languages. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon to open your account page. Then, in the top left corner, tap on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various features of the app. After that, scroll down the Settings menu until you find the option labeled Change Language. Tap on this option to open the list of available languages. You will see several languages. Simply select the language you want to switch to. Once you tap your preferred language, the app will automatically restart. This restart is necessary for the language change to take effect. Finally, when the Calm app reopens, it will display all the menus and content in the new language you chose. You can now enjoy using the app in the language that suits you best, which can make your meditation and relaxation sessions more comfortable and personal. Thanks for watching.